How to change font on Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to change font on Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open app.beehiiv.com into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. And then go ahead and click on website at the left side of your screen. And then under their website, you'll be able to find the builder. So click on builder and that will take you here. So it will allow you to edit your website on Beehiiv. So in here, go ahead and click on any of the text that you have on your canvas. And then the edit section will pop at the right side. Make sure to enable advanced mode and then make sure to click on this font drop down from here and then click on this edit theme button to make sure to change the font style of all of the parts of your text on your website. So as you can see, you can set the font of the headings along with the body of your website. So you can simply use the search bar to search for that specific font style that you want to use for your website. And then you can also change the color theme of your website into this section. And then once you're done, click on this apply changes button, and that is how you can basically change font on Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.